Here's a picture of my brother. Here's a picture of my brother. You are really talented. You are really talented. I want to be with you forever. I want to be with you forever. I found it. I found it. I'm responsible for this. I'm responsible for this. Move out of my way. Move out of my way. He doesn't play. He doesn't play. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Excuse me, is this seat taken? Excuse me, is this seat taken? It really takes time. It really takes time. Do you have a minute? Do you have a minute? What do you think? What do you think? What do you eat? What do you eat? That's neat. That's neat. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you want. Don't be so childish. Don't be so childish. Keep an eye on the bags. Keep an eye on the bags. This house is my own. This house is my own. What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? I doubt it. I doubt it. Where are you going? Where are you going? It's funny. It's funny. I speak English well. I speak English well. It seems like this is the long way. It seems like this is the long way. Just read it for me. Just read it for me. I don't feel like eating out this evening. I don't feel like eating out this evening. You look tired. You look tired. Don't stop here. Don't stop here. I've had it. I've had it. What do you want to do on vacation? What do you want to do on vacation? I just made it. I just made it. He is my best friend. He is my best friend. Do you enjoy going to the cinema? Do you enjoy going to the cinema? So far, so good. So far, so good. Is the dog swimming? Is the dog swimming? You two make a lovely couple. You two make a lovely couple. Do you have less expensive ones? Do you have less expensive ones? What should I do? What should I do? Please tell me your size. Please tell me your size. Not yet. Not yet. How is the weather tomorrow? How is the weather tomorrow? Who told you that? Who told you that? Would you please stop talking? Would you please stop talking? Don't fall for it. Don't fall for it. When was it built? When was it built? To be careful. To be careful. Do you have an appointment? Do you have an appointment? You are very professional. You are very professional. I shouldn't have gotten up so early. I shouldn't have gotten up so early. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. What do you study? What do you study? I want to speak with him. I want to speak with him. What did he say? What did he say? It's different. It's different. Do you often go to restaurant for dinner? Do you often go to restaurant for dinner? He doesn't have time. He doesn't have time. The boy is kind. The boy is kind. You're welcome. You're welcome. Could you do it a little cheaper, please? Could you do it a little cheaper, please? They like each other. They like each other. Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? Where is he? Where is he? You have a good taste. You have a good taste. Be quiet. Be quiet. Why don't we go out and play tennis this afternoon? Why don't we go out and play tennis this afternoon?